Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a focus channel and the compressor plugin loaded. First, pick a model: Vintage FET for punch, Studio VCA for transparency, or Platinum for clean control. Set a modest ratio, say 1:4, 1 because heavy ratios squash dynamics too fast. Now dial attack quickly, 5 to 30 milliseconds, to let initial transients through or clamp them down depending on the sound. Then set release between 50 and 200 milliseconds, so compression breathes with the phrase. Finally, use makeup gain to restore perceived level, so once done with initial makeup, you refine threshold while the track plays and watch the gain reduction meters. Aim for roughly 2 to 6 dB on peaks for musical control. Make sure to adjust attack and release in context. A faster attack tames transients, but can dull impact, while a slower attack preserves punch. Use need to soften onset if the compression feels abrupt, and add side chain EQ to avoid the compressor reacting to unwanted frequencies. Make small tweaks, bypass occasionally, and listen across multiple passages to confirm consistent behavior. You finish by a /B testing with bypass engaged, making sure to match loudness so the change is honest. If you hear unwanted pumping, lengthen the release time or add a high-pass filter to the side chain so low-frequency energy doesn't trigger excessive gain reduction. Reduce the ratio if problems persist. Make automation moves for differing sections and save a preset for consistency. Troubleshooting tip: if latency or CPU spikes appear, disable look-ahead or reduce oversampling, because those features increase processing cost and can cause timing shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.